I don't know whether you saw my first video on the correct pronunciation of words. If you've not, this is the second one. So you can just dive into my dashboard and check. Thank you very much. So let's go to some of these words that are mispronounced. Number one. This word is pronounced as hilarious, not hilarious. Don't pronounce it as hilarious. Transcribe this way. Now, if you check here, we have a diphthong and we also have a diphthong ear, right? Hilarious. Then the second one is this word is not pronounced as capable. It is pronounced as capable. Capable. I am capable of doing what you never imagine I could do. Okay? Not I am capable of doing blah blah blah. Okay? Now the next one is this is vacation. It is pronounced in two ways. Vacation or vacation. This way. Alright? Vacation or vacation. Okay? Now the next one now this word is pronounced as rheumatism, not rheumatism. This is rheumatism. This way. Rheumatism. Okay? And the last one on the list is this word is not pronounced as category. Not category, rather category. This is category, not category. Alright? Thank you very much.